Hi y'all, Lindsay here. I'm going to walk you through how to leave feedback using Workflow, our website feedback tool. If you're watching this video, I've probably sent you a link to a website or another creative asset to get your feedback. We do this through Workflow, which helps us collect, organize, and act on design feedback with less back and forth emails. This tool allows you to comment directly on elements of the design, which helps provide clarity, as well as keep all of our discussions about certain elements all in one place. So let's get started. I'm using an internal website here as an example. What you'll notice first is the workflow interface. We have an admin bar up here at the top, and then we've got a sidebar over here, which you can collapse if you need to, and then bring it back if you need to. So your website will show here in the main website window. The two things that you'll probably use first are this comment and browse modes. So in comment mode, you can click on a feature and leave a comment. But if you need to, let's say, click on a link to go to another page to leave comment there, that's when you'll want to use the browse mode. So just remember, browse lets you click on things, comment lets you comment on things. So just to show you how the commenting system works, I'm going to go through this page and just leave a few comments. I'm going to start with this logo, and I'll just leave some simple design feedback. So you'll notice after I left this comment, a little bubble shows up here. So it's right next to the element that I'm talking about. This is where Workflow is brilliant. It helps us have clarity on what it is that needs to be edited or what it is that we're giving feedback on. And then as you leave these comments, you will see them start to show up over on the left sidebar. So just like that. You'll notice when you leave a comment that you do have some options. You've got you click on the paper airplane to submit your comment. And then you have this paperclip here where you can actually use it to attach files like screenshots or Word documents, things like that, that may be helpful in the design process. So that's the commenting system as far as leaving comments on the page. Over here in the sidebar where the comments are being collected, you'll notice you can do certain things like mark things as resolved, which will usually be something I'm doing if the feedback is quick, actionable feedback. For example, change white to black. I change it to black. I'll resolve the comment, right? If there's discussion, then I'll usually leave it to you to resolve the comment when you feel like the changes have met your expectations. You can also do things like just react. Usually this is like some emojis. You can also click the ellipsis here and get an edit. So you can edit your comment. You can copy a link, which is great if you're referencing a comment in another comment. And you can, of course, also delete your comment. You can also leave comments that are not attached to any element. So you can do that down here at the end, at the bottom of the left-hand sidebar. Just like that. You also have some options here for formatting and attaching files, sending cute emojis, things like that. Another thing you might use is this feature here. You can actually record a quick audio or video message if sometimes, giving design feedback, sometimes things are easier to say or show than they are to write out. So that's super useful. So that's the high level of how to use Workflow. If you have any questions or if there's a feature that you're unsure of, you can always reach out to me and ask questions. I'm happy to shoot another video like this or just jump on a Zoom call and chat about it. So that's all. Thanks for watching.